544 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds, and no rear window. You heard that right. The 2026 Polestar 4 is the only production SUV that completely ditched the rear glass. Instead, there's a high-definition camera feeding a screen where your mirror should be. This is Scandinavian engineering at its most unapologetic. Starting at the front, this car makes a statement before you even notice what's missing at the back. The dual-blade LED headlights split across the corners like a signature Polestar calling card. That illuminated badge underneath uses millimeter precision lighting to glow from below. The hood flows into frameless side mirrors and flush door handles that disappear into the bodywork. 22-inch wheels come standard on this performance pack version, wrapped in Pirelli P0 rubber. Those Swedish gold brake calipers peeking through belong to Brembo's 4-piston setup. Walk around the side and you'll notice how the roofline sweeps downward in a proper coupe silhouette. No awkward cutoff. Step inside and you'll find Polestar's cleanest cabin yet. A 15.4-inch landscape touchscreen dominates the center console, running Google's built-in Android Automotive operating system. Apple CarPlay works too if that's your preference. The 10.2-inch driver display keeps things minimal, while a massive 14.7-inch head-up display projects everything you need directly onto the windshield. Those front seats offer 12-way electric adjustment with heating and ventilation. The materials feel premium without being flashy. Tailored knit textiles made from recycled plastics line the surfaces, and those gold seatbelts remind you this is the performance pack. The rear seats are where things get interesting. Because there's no rear window, Polestar pushed the roof structure backward, giving rear passengers more headroom than any competitor in this class. That panoramic glass roof stretches past their heads, flooding the cabin with light. Rear occupants even get their own 5.7-inch screen mounted between the front seats for climate and media control. Pop the rear hatch, and you'll find over 500 liters of cargo space with the seats up. Fold them flat, and that number nearly doubles. The floor sits completely flat, and there's additional storage underneath for charging cables. The load lip is low enough to slide heavy items without breaking your back. Under this floor sits a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack powering dual electric motors. Combined output hits 544 metric horsepower and 506 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to embarrass most sports cars off the line. The specially tuned ZF adaptive dampers keep this 5,000-pound machine remarkably flat through corners. Charging maxes out at 200 kilowatts on DC fast chargers, taking you from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Range sits at around 280 miles on the dual motor version. At roughly 70,000 euros fully loaded, the Polestar 4 Performance Pack isn't cheap, but it offers something no competitor can match: a genuine design statement that doesn't apologize for being different. If you're tired of every electric SUV looking the same, this might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Hit subscribe and check out my full Brussels Motor Show playlist for more first looks at the cars shaping 2026. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.